Welcome. If you want to take care of battery in your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to tap on the battery and go for the power master and go for the battery care. And at the first it's very good to set the slow charging. We'll get a slow and steady pace and will protect the battery. So let's just turn it on. So when you are in the home and you are not going outside, you can slow charging your phone and extend the battery lifespan, right? So it's very worth to get it. And also we can select the charging limit. So when we set the lower charging limit, we will also extend the battery lifespan. So in my personal smartphone, I'm using the 80%, but if you want to get a little bit more the capacity of the battery, you can go for the 90, but it's not good to go for the 100. So I can recommend you to choose one of this option. I'm personally using this one, so you have to decide what you want to get. And as you can see, that's how you can take care of your battery in the ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!